Hey guys, so you are cooking with me today. Mike's gonna help peel potatoes, but I'm making some fish cakes and I need to start by peeling 6 potatoes, but we're having something different too, so I have to make extra potatoes. So I'm gonna start by peeling all the potatoes, and the fish is over boiling, so I have to boil some of the salt off it because it's soft fish. So making my Grammy's special Newfoundland fish cakes. Boiling some of the salt off the fish, so that's boiling there, so that's good. So the potatoes are boiling too, and I always put an onion in with the potatoes to boil it, just for that added flavor, and it's already starting to smell yummy in here. Okay guys, so I just took the potatoes out, and the onion is in a separate bowl because I'm going to saute that. Then I have the fish, which is over here cooling. So I'm going to take the potatoes and I'm going to mash them up. Now, you have to wait for this to go to room temperature before you can actually make your patties for your fish cakes with them. But for now, like I said, I'm just going to mash them up. And I've got to get some butter, so just give me a second. I'm just going to use some basil. And you don't have to be precise about this, but I usually use, I don't know, like a tablespoon. But I sometimes use a little bit more. I don't measure, I just use about that much in there. Okay. And I'm going to continue to mash. We're going to want some pepper. That's garlic powder. So you can use black pepper or you can use the pepper kernels. I'm just going to take some pepper and again, no measurements, just kind of put in what you feel like you want. So I like pepper, so put in some pepper. Got to remember that you're going to be mixing the fish in here too. So, and the other thing that you're going to want to include in there is some savory. So, I'm just going to take a spoon and I'm going to do about 2 spoons of savory in there. You have to put in supermarket or whatever, everybody knows what savory is. You know what, I'm not even going to measure it. I can probably guess about how much 2 tablespoons of savory is going to be. There we go. That should do it. Just make sure you combine it up good. Oh, that smells good. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to mix this. I am going to shave the fish next. Alright, so, oh god, I got it all over the counter. That's okay. We all make mistakes. Clean it up. Okay. Alright, I'm going to set this aside for a few minutes. So there's what the potato mixture looks like. And I'm going to start shaving the fish away so I can put that in there, and then I'm going to saute the onions. Okay guys, while I was shaving the fish, Mike fried up the onion and put in the mixture here. So that's what it looks like. And then here is the fish all shaved up. So I'm going to dump that in there now too. And this is going to make quite a few fish cakes by the looks of it. Alright, so I'm going to mix this around. You know what? What's even better is I'm going to mix it. I'm going to lay this aside for now, but I'm going to mix it with my hands probably in a minute because it will just make sure everything gets mixed better. I'm going to have to take my ring off. Alright, so I'm just going to continue to mix this around for a few minutes and I'll come back and show you the rest. Another thing you're going to want to do is put 1 large egg in here, and this just helps to keep the mixture together, obviously. So I'm going to crack the egg in there, put this over in the garbage, and continue to mix. Okay guys, so I got my mixture all done here. I put the egg in there, and then I have a bowl here with some flour in it. I don't want to dip it too far, but there, just to dip the cakes in. And there's a plate over there to put them all on. I'm just going to use my hands now just to make sure everything's mixed evenly. It's room temperature, not too cold or too hot, too cold. It's like a perfect dough. So you want to take like a decent size. Just all depends on what you want your fish cakes to look like, how big, how small. So I take a ball of it. Roll it, and I can't even see what I'm doing here. Roll it into a ball, and then we flatten it out into a patty. So, I think I used my hamburger press on them last year, but I just make the mess, so. You know what, that might be a little too thin. There's no rhyme or reason to this part of it anyway. So, you know, about yay big. You roll it in flour on both sides, and then you just put it aside on a plate for when you're ready to fry. And then you just continue to do it over and over again. And it's messy, but it's fun. And they taste delicious. It's quite the process. Like, it takes a few hours for the preparation for fish cakes, but they're well worth it. Alright, I'm just going to continue to roll these out, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Do you want to push the white square that inside the circle? Okay, so they're prepped and ready to go in the frying pan. I have the frying pan on over here with some coconut oil melting in it, and it's on medium heat. And you would probably get about 4 of these in the pan at the same time, so I'm just going to fry them up. I'm not going to be able to hold the phone and record while I'm frying these up, obviously, but I will show you guys what they look like. Okay, so make sure your frying pan is at a good temperature. Like, let it sit for 5 or so minutes, and then you can put your fish cakes in, and just, like I said, I'd probably get about 4, depending on the size of your pan. You can usually get about 4 in there, and depending on the size of your fish cakes, obviously, you can usually get about 4 in at the same time. So you probably cook them for about, just so they're brown on each side, because you got to think everything else is cooked, right? Like the fish and the onion and the potatoes all cooked. So just brown them up on each side, flip them, and then you're done. So I'll show you the complete fish cakes. I know I've probably done this on my channel before, but I get better and better at them every time I make them, and I really like it making them. So if you guys have any requests for any other type of cooking, I'm not very adventurous with my cooking. I was raised by Newfoundlanders. My grandmother used to cook traditional Newfoundland dishes, some things that I wouldn't eat either. And that tends to be the time, like, I'm simple. I'm a simple cooking kind of girl. Sometimes I'll explore recipes, but for the most part, I'm just simple. But anyway, I will show you guys these when they're done. Guys, I just realized that I put these away and forgot to show the completed fish cakes, but this is what they look like. These are being put away, and I gave some to the neighbor, and Mike actually ate one even though he doesn't like fish, so that was a bonus, and he said it wasn't bad, so woohoo, good for me. But anyway, that is what they look like, and they are delicious, because I already ate one. Okay guys, so a couple of you guys said that you just wanted to see some more recipes on my channel. You guys like it when I cook a video, so I thought I would do that. I think I have me making fish cakes on my vlog channel before. I don't know if I posted it on this channel or not. If I did, I apologize. I didn't mean to post it twice in a row. And Mike gets stuck doing the dishes. Ha ha ha. So now I'm going to go and sit down and finish drinking my lemon water, edit this video, and I will see you guys all on Thursday for 14 days of February. Bye guys.